hurry that up. Now take it away when we leave.
No!
No, why not? Because it's good. Well, you better hurry up because we gotta go.
No!
No. Baby? Where's the baby? I thought you were the baby. Biba? It's a Biba. Yeah. Wow.
Oh, your big brother? Yeah, he's outside. Big brother. Yeah, he went that way.
Okay, I'm taking Mickey Mouse from it. He's telling me to shush. You see? He went. Are you telling me to shush? You're lucky I can't read. Can I have that hand?
I got him.
Since I can't reach you.
Ice cream? Oh, chest meal.
Hope that shirt was cheap.
It was not.
Oh, he was enjoying it. He was so happy.
We're leaving.